Is it Monday morning again? Is your day looking as blue as this shirt of mine? Then stick around, I've got just the thing for you. My name is Lo and I run a digital marketing business called Digital with Lo, and I help people to start their own individual enterprises within the digital world. We are currently about 60,000, a little over 60,000 people in this business opportunity. It's worldwide and it has a few very interesting aspects to it. But first I would just like to tell you that I used to be in network marketing for 5 years, and I did it full time, and it was a wonderful business. I learned a lot. There were some good products involved and made decent money, but I had to invest so much of myself that it just wasn't possible to do this on a full-time basis. I literally traveled over 100,000 kilometers in 1 year. I had presentations all over the place, even out of the South African borders. And it cost a lot of money, and especially, the way the fuel prices are right now, I would never be able to do it. The beauty of my business is that you can operate with just a phone and Wi-Fi. If you have a laptop, it helps as well. And you can literally operate internationally. This video I am taking right now is playing when I'm busy driving a 10-hour drive because I'm far away from my home, and I have scheduled it within our system, and it helps me to take a load off and to blend it in with my social schedule. And the difference is that you can just operate internationally without actually even leaving your house. That's how simple it is, and it was quite a difficult mind shift for me in the beginning, because I used to focus on the physical product. This is a digital thing, and it runs, the sky is the limit. You can actually develop, they teach you how to develop your own digital products and how to market that all over the internet. And the list is long, and we need to have a discussion. So my advice to you is go to my website, it's right up there, and get the information, get the blueprint, and my system will send it to you. Please check in your spam folder because it hides in there somewhere. And then the second piece of advice is to just make a list, ask as many questions, because even after you look at that video and the whole presentation, you will still have a lot of questions.